Let me ask you this. Have you or someone you love ever had their back suddenly lock up? They couldn't stand, they couldn't sit, they couldn't breathe without wanting to cry. And all the ER did was hand out pain shot like it was candy. That happened to someone very close to me recently, and what I gave him worked way better than Toradol. Stick with me. This one hits close to home.
Welcome to the Defeating Pain Podcast with Dr. Ted Arkfeld. If you're tired of treatments that just don't work, you're in the right place. Each week, we'll talk about new ways to beat chronic pain using at-home therapies. You don't have to go to the doctor to feel better. Let's help you start living pain-free. Now, here's Dr. Arkfeld.
A few weeks back, my nephew, who I think might have finally found the one, was planning a golf trip to visit us in northern Michigan. Everything lined up, golf, sunshine, showing off his girlfriend, the big stuff. Then Friday night at 10 p.m., ding, I get a text from him. Uncle Ted, my low back locked up. I can't move. My legs gave out. I said, don't panic, but it sounds like an angry disc. Get to an ER right away for pain relief. What did the ER do? They diagnosed him with muscle spasms, gave him a Toradol shot, and sent him on his way. No x-rays, no MRI, no idea what caused the spasm. Hey, I respect the ER docs, but come on, you got to give them a diagnosis more than spasms. I realized then that I needed to practice what I preach. So I told him to get a BioWave Go, same pain relief device I recommend to all my patients with disc-related back pain. He used it multiple times per day, and guess what? Within 2 weeks, no more locking, no more leg buckling, pain shifted to soreness and stiffness. He's back to work, functioning, and feeling better. But here's the thing. We're not done. We fixed the pain. Now we fix the reason it happened. So what is the next step? We have to reactivate the multifidus muscle, those deep down spine stabilizers that most people don't even know exist. You don't get that by doing crunches or planks. You get it by firing it up with the ARPneuro PRS unit. Because if you don't get that multifidus working, guess what? The back pain keeps coming back like a bad sequel. So here's what I want you to take from this. If your back locks up or you get diagnosed with muscle spasms, don't stop there. Ask, why did this happen? What's the root cause? And what muscles aren't doing their job? Here's the good news. You don't need to drive across the country to fix this. We build an entire home remedy kit you can use right in your living room. It starts with pain control using BioWave Go. Then we get your spine stabilized using the ARPneuro PRS unit to activate those deep spinal muscles. I'm not just telling you this works. I've watched it change my own nephew's life within the last 2 weeks and countless number of patients that I see in my office. Don't let people that you love get stuck as spasms for their forever diagnosis. In the next episode, I'll show you how to tell if your multifidus muscle is asleep and how to wake it up from the couch. This is Dr. Ted Arkfeld reminding you don't have to live with pain. You just need the right tools. Thanks for watching the Defeating Pain Podcast.